Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the kitchen upgrade. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Real-time energy monitoring. Smart plugs track the real-time power, current, and voltage of your plug-in devices. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, connecting with Govee Home app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to access the smart. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Convenient voice control, free hands by using simple voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just once. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are kitchen helper, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the kitchen upgrade looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.